Dictation will be start after 5 seconds. Start. In the case of a bill which seeks to amend any of the provisions of the Constitution in terms of Article 368 of the Constitution after it is passed by the House by the requisite special majority and ratified by the states where required by the proviso to clause bracket 2 bracket closed of Article 368. The President has to accord his assent thereto. Para. A member other than a minister who wants to introduce a bill has to give a notice of a motion for leave to introduce the bill and has to submit a copy of the bill and an explanatory statement of objects and reasons together with the notice. The period of notice of a motion for leave to introduce a private member's bill is 1 month unless the chairman allows the motion to be made at a shorter notice. Such bills can be taken up only on the days which are allotted for transaction of private members' bills. 2.5 hours of a sitting on every alternate Friday are normally allotted for the introduction, consideration, etc. of private members' bills. The primary responsibility of drafting a private member's bill is that of the member concerned. Nevertheless, the Secretariat renders all possible assistance and advice to members so that their proposed bills are not rejected on technical grounds. On the day allotted for private members' bills, bills for introduction are set down as the first item in the list of business for that day. A member can introduce maximum 3 bills during a session for determining a priority of pending private members' bills in the session in respect of names of member in charge of bills. In the said draw of lot, 10 names are drawn and the priority obtained therein remains valid for the entire session. Out of the 10 names drawn in the draw of lot, bills of only 5 members bracket start excluding part discussed bill if any bracket close in order of their priority are included at a time in the list of business for consideration on each day allotted for private members' bills. Those members who have more than one bill pending against their names are eligible to select one of their bills, but no member is eligible to take up more than one bill for consideration in the same session. Stop.